Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to deposit Solana into Axiom. Super easy once you know the steps. Whether you're trading meme coins or diving into DeFi, this will get you started fast. So first, of course, head to Axiom Trade and log in. If you're new, sign up with a referral link from their X page or community. Once you're in, connect your wallet, Phantom, Nova, whatever you use, via the Connect wallet. After that, on the Axiom dashboard, look for the deposit button. It's usually near your wallet address or under the wallet section. Click it and you'll see a pop-up with your unique Axiom deposit address. It'll start with AX, that's your Solana wallet on their platform. After that, just tap on copy next to that deposit address. Double check it. Sending Solana to the wrong address is a one-way trip to nowhere. Open your Solana wallet, Phantom, Solflare, or even Nova. Hit send, paste the Axiom deposit address and enter Solana amounts. Leave a tiny bit for fees like 0.01 Solana. Confirm the transaction and it'll process in seconds thanks to Solana's speed. Back in Axiom, wait a moment, your Solana should show up in your balance almost instantly. If it's lagging, refresh the page or check your wallet's transaction history to ensure it went through. Stuck? Hit up Axiom support via their site. That's it. You've deposited Solana into Axiom. Now you're ready to trade or explore their tools. Try it out and drop your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Catch you next time.